Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix Acorn Box app not working issue. Acorn Box is a decentralized crypto wallet that lets users securely store, send and manage their digital assets. But sometimes the Acorn Box may not open, crash, freeze or fail to connect properly. And in this quick guide I'll show you simple and effective ways to fix the Acorn Box app not working issue. The first thing is to check your internet connection. Make sure you're connected to a stable Wi-Fi or the mobile data. You can go to the notifications bar and check between the Wi-Fi or the cellular data and turn on airplane mode on and off. A poor connection can stop Acorn Box from loading or syncing, or you can also force close and reopen the Acorn Box. When you open to the Acorn Box, you can simply go back and simply delete it or simply close it and wait a few seconds and reopen the app and check again. Or if that does not work, you can restart your phone. So restarting clears temporary box and background glitches. After restarting, you can open to the Acorn Box again. And you can also update the app. You can go to the App Store. You can check for any of the updates needed to the Acorn and tap update if available. Outdated version often cause crashes or loading issues. And that is it. And that's how you can fix the Acorn Box app not working issue. If this video helped you, do not forget to like, subscribe, and if you have any trouble or confusion, please comment down below and we will reach out to you very soon.